Our project stems from the vision of being able to perform fully automated surgeries, managing to maximize the probability of success and minimize the human and resource cost. In an environment as full of variables and unexpected events as that of a surgery, the idea of entrusting such a task to a machine may be dismissed at first. It is precisely for these reasons that an interesting application of artificial intelligence has its place. Thus was born Fourier.AI, a multidisciplinary project that manages to unite engineers and surgeons for the creation of an intelligent system capable of preserving and creating knowledge in the surgical field, to save lives and to give birth to the prospect of performing surgical operations, until now at the limit of the unthinkable, because of their complexity and human effort. The creation of such a tool requires the use of numerous technologies, articulated in different stages of development and according to the stage of the project itself. It will constitute the core part of the project. It will have to be realized taking into account the large amounts of data to which it will be subjected, their frequency and the degree of complexity of data processing. The structure of the neural network will be of multilayer type, realized with a programming language able to provide speed of execution and reliability. A good solution in the startup phase of the project could be to use the C++ programming language. It will have to recognize with micrometric precision all the spatial quantities concerning the surgical intervention, know how to handle emergency situations and acquire chronological awareness of the conduct of maneuvers during the intervention, gain awareness of the tools used during the operation, how often they are used, to accomplish what task, in what order. Should be able to distinguish internal and external elements. It will also need to recognize organs and their location in context. Feeding and learning the Fourier neural network requires a massive data collection operation, divided by difficulty and type of surgery. At the same time, it is necessary that data collection is non-invasive and does not compromise patient privacy or the proper performance of the procedure. An interesting solution for non-invasive and reliable data collection is the LiDAR sensor, which is able to capture not only high-frequency images and geometries but also depth information. The learning and training phase of the neural network consists in an iterative process in which a flow of data, each cycle of incoming data is processed through algorithms based on the concept of deep learning, made possible by the multilayer architecture adopted, providing an output that will be processed again. A preliminary testing phase will take place in a simulated environment to enrich and refine the Fourier.AI neural network, providing additional data to complement the data collected in the OR. After the first phase of learning and refining, Fourier.AI, it is now possible to use the system as an assistant for surgery. In this way, there will still be no direct intervention by artificial intelligence, but at the same time it will have the ability to deal with emergency and unexpected situations, consequently learning. It could provide a powerful tool for trainees and students by integrating it with appropriate software based on Fourier.AI. Adoption of Fourier.AI by different research poles would contribute to the decentralized development of the project, greatly increasing its potential and probability of success. The total application of the Fourier.AI system consists in being able to perform in an automatic way, accompanied only by medical supervision, of surgical interventions with an accuracy and probability of success close to 100%. Starting with less risky and complex interventions, proceeding gradually to those where human cognitive ability alone is not sufficient. Fourier.AI could be conveniently interfaced through existing or developing systems with surgical automation machinery. The possible lenders are public institutions, universities and research centers, and medical devices companies. Having a skilled and specialized surgeon available in the required field is not always possible, especially in developing or particularly poor countries. Fourier.AI would overcome this problem by providing a system capable of acting in the most correct and safe way for most situations where immediate surgical intervention is required.